All of a sudden things got much more intense.
Yeah, much more intense. Tomorrow morning, we're probably, 8 to 10 hours away from landfall. Sometime, let's say 8 a.m. tomorrow morning,
Right.
give or take a little bit. In fact, take a look. It's not the only one, too, because we have Franklin kind of smacking you right in the face there off to the right-hand side of your screen. That storm at the last observation is a Category 3. It's not going to directly impact us or Bermuda for that matter. It's going to go out to shore, but we're focusing in on this one, Idalia, number 2. Or Category 2, and over the last couple of hours, look at how well defined this eye has become. It's a few hundred miles, about 130 miles off of Tampa, and I was looking at the water temperatures. Look at this, 87 degrees out here in the Gulf. You get closer to land, 88. These are very, very warm water temperatures, and that is the fuel that provides the energy for these storms. And so it looks to intensify, and we just updated this map for you where it is expected to make landfall here into the northern part of Florida, at least that north central, the Big Bend area. 10 to 15 foot storm surge expected. Cedar Key, for example, that is an area that's 10 feet above sea level. So if you get a 10-foot storm surge and then you get 10 to 20 foot waves on top of that, that's a recipe. It's just bad, right? And I watched a story earlier. Some people down in Cedar Key saying, I'm gonna ride this one out. Hopefully these folks along here heeded the warning, because storm surge on this one is most likely going to be the worst part of the storm. The flooding is going to be around, but it's not going to be dramatic, relatively speaking. A huge swath of rainfall totals, anywhere between about 4 to 6 inches of rain. But there, with a tropical system, you could get 10, 12, 15 or 20 inches pretty easily. So because it's going to move, we're not going to see excessive rain totals. Of course, the wind forecast to be at 130 miles per hour right at that eye upon landfall. And so you got the wind and the storm surge that are going to be really bad, and that is again tomorrow morning, anywhere between, let's say, 6 to 9 a.m. for that landfall down in Florida. Locally, 72 tonight, mostly cloudy skies. We've got a shower or storm late. It's really going to fall for your morning hours tomorrow, first from the west to the east. Here in the Philadelphia area, the I-95 corridor, expect some showers and a stray thunderstorm on your drive into work, 6 to 8 a.m. That's the window. You folks out west, probably 4 to 7 a.m. You folks down the shore, 9 to 11 a.m. It's all morning time. We're going to linger things through mid-morning. After that, skies clear out. We're going to say mid-80s by the afternoon, and a noticeable drop in the humidity levels as our breezes pick up from the north. All said, certainly relatively speaking, our weather here is exceptionally quiet. Not only quiet, but beautiful. By Friday, we're starting out at 61 degrees, ending up at 79. The Labor Day weekend, sunny both days, Saturday, Sunday, into the 80s, low humidity. But as summer is unofficially coming to an end, Mother Nature says, hold on, I'm not done with you yet. 92 on Monday, Labor Day, 93 as the kids go back to school. That's the way it's looking right now. Guys, we'll send it back over to you.
All right, Bill, thank you.